actually in the same place. Keep rolling. I've met two youngsters. This is a stigma kind of vibe. It's so that we can help people understand that the cannabis lifestyle and the wellness part of it is not what a lot of people think it is. How's it, Ulrich?
I'm right.
Pleased to meet you. My name's Cameron. How's it, Declan?
Fine. Yourself, mate?
I'm cool, man. Guys, you both look strappingly fit and healthy. What do you do?
Me, from time to time I play rugby.
Yeah.
That's what I do on the side. It's like a hobby of mine. And I also go to the gym now and then.
Okay. And what do you do work-wise?
Work-wise, currently I'm studying to become an electrician.
Are you a legend? Okay.
I started Monday, so see that.
Okay. And what's your dream? What do you want to become?
Well, my dream one day is to open my own business.
Okay.
On the table still, which I'm really dedicated to local tours.
And what's your favorite brands, clothing-wise?
Clothing wise, I'll go probably anything casual. Really, like it doesn't need to be name brand specific.
So there's no favorites, huh?
There's no favorites really. So it's just great clothing brand.
And what are you inspired to achieve with yourself every day? What are you, like when you wake up in the morning? Do you want to be happy? Do you want to have a cool life? Is there any particular plan?
Okay, so there's this thing that I live by. It's called Kaizen. So it's basically when you improve yourself 1% each day.
Okay.
So I just focus on fulfilling that 1% rather than just going all out. And because it's a process, it takes time.
Okay, lekker. I just try to get that whole thing going. I was meant to talk to you, Declan. Thank you very much, Ulrich. Declan, you look a little bit more fit than he does, but what do you do?
So I usually play rugby on the weekends, practice every night, play rugby and gym obviously every day. It's a massive thing for me because fitness is a big thing. It helps me wake up in the morning, keeps me going every day, and it just makes me feel more confident. So that's about all I do.
How does the cannabis wellness lifestyle fit into your need to be fit?
Oh, that's a brilliant question. Sleep is a very, very big thing for your muscles to help them recover. And sometimes I do struggle with sleep, and by using cannabis products, which can help me with sleep, I use cannabis in that way. And sometimes even when I'm a bit too upset, I can also use cannabis to help me calm down and come back to my natural state of calmness.
Okay. And what do you want to do when you're older?
I haven't thought that far.
You haven't, huh?
I'm just enjoying life as she of life, and I hope to stay here for the rest of my life.
And what inspires you? Give me your number one inspiration.
My number one inspiration is definitely my mother.
For your mom?
For my mother, yeah.
Okay, lekker.
My mother.
What does she do?
She's just a mother, traditional.
Lekker. Okay, awesome. How's it, Mom?
How's it, Mom? Hope you're doing well. I did an interview at Tree of Life. Hope you see this.
Awesome. Well, come back, both of you. If there's any message you want to give to other people your age, all right, in relation to the cannabis wellness lifestyle, what would the message be?
Cannabis necessarily doesn't have to be a drug. It's not bad for you. Anything is good in moderation. Just use it in moderation and intention. Use it responsibly because it does get easy to fall off the wagon, but at Tree of Life, they give you the health supplements that you need to get through your daily activities and struggles.
I wonder how they figured out that saying in the alcohol to fall off the wagon, because I can't see alcohol staying on a wagon. It's more. Yeah. So the wagon's more of a farming thing as opposed to the rest. What do you drink?
Occasionally.
Occasionally.
Yes.
Occasionally? Was that a definite yes? Okay. Yeah, it fits in your lifestyle. All right. Guys, legend, thank you very much for your time. Much appreciated. Eh?
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'll send you the links. Or I'll send the link to you, to Dom, and then do your thing. Subscribe, share.
What's your name?
My name's Cameron.
No, on social media.
Oh, what's the... Yeah, but what's the link, though? I shouldn't even ask that question online. That's really bad. Taz is going to know that cut, guys.
Like and follow Rolling Stone and one of the best
Magazines.
in the industry. Make sure to like and follow.
Lekker. Thanks, legends. Here we go. That was fun. I enjoyed that big time. Guys, keep rolling. They say like, follow, share the whole story. Have a beautiful day.